In this simple and quick video, I'll give you an update on Blum airdrop and Blum crypto coin. Okay, as you can see, if you want to access the Blum airdrop and the Blum crypto coin, you just come to your Telegram application and then come to the search bar over there and then search for Blum. So I'll recommend you first join their community. Their community is over here. So when you join their community, you'll be getting updates from their community. Okay, so after joining their community, come back to the search bar over here and then search for Blum. Okay, when you search for Blum over here, you see their official bot. This one which has a verification link over here or a verification tick. So what you do, you launch up this bot and then tap on start. So what it's doing right now, it's opening up your account of Blum. If you're a new user on Blum, then definitely you'll just be over here. As you can see, it tells you that wishlist and over here is paused. This means there are too many people who are already on the application are on the line waiting for this application to be launched. Okay, so right now, guys, what you have to do is just hold on until it's launched, and then you'll be able to access your accounts of Blum. So what they recommend over here is to come and join their Telegram community over here. So just come and tap on join community. When you come and tap on join community, you see information over here. As you can see, the last information says here, we have literally reached shook and so grateful for each and every one of you. Thank you for being part of the community. Oh, by the way, just use to all invite you. Okay, as you can see. So this means there are many people right now in the Blum over here and just need to be waiting for them to launch their application. As you can see, if you want, you can even come and make some comments over here, down below over here. As you can see, you can come and make some comments over here. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's an update from the Blum community. And thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet once again.